Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's tutorial, I want to discuss MySQL connectivity in Python programming language. Let's first discuss the learning objective for this session. At the end of this session, you are able to understand or connect the MySQL data with your Python program. You are also able to perform various types of CRUD operations in your database, and you are also fetch data from your database using queries. Now let's first discuss how user application interacts with a database. User application interacts with the database using some SQL commands, and with response of this database sends responses in the form of data or information or records. Now let's first discuss why this data is important. Basically, data is very important for any organization to continue its operations. And to store data, basically we can use a file or either a database. When we store records in a file, it is store data in secondary devices like hard disk, or either in the form of the text files or in the binary files. While when we store data in a database, the data is stored not in the secondary devices, it is stored in a database. The advantages of DBMS over files is that if we go for a files, we have to write a lot of programming to store data or to manipulate data in a file. While when we use a databases, these operations are very easily as compared to the files. You can, with the help of commands, you can easily manipulate, retrieve or alter data from the databases. Uh, Now let's discuss the basically what different types of databases are available to connect with the Python program. In Python, database APIs supports a wide range of database servers like MySQL, Prostage SQL, Microsoft Server, SQL Server 2000, and the Oracle and many more. Now let's discuss the steps involved in the connection and to execute queries in a database. The first step to import a module. To import a module in a Python program, you have to write import, then your MySQL package library name. Then you have to write this import MySQL DB. This MySQL DB is a package or library that is used to connect your MySQL database with your Python program. It might be possible when you run this statement, it shows an error. If this error shows, it means that you have not installed the MySQL module for your Python version that you are using. So, if this error occurs, you please download it from the sourceforge.not or the python.org. Now, step 2 is to making a connection with your Python program. To open database and connect with your Python program, we use this connect method. You can write DB. DB is a basically database object, and this package name, that is mysql db.connect. You have to pass basically the four parameters: username, password, host name, and the database name. For phpMyAdmin, my username is a root, password is also a root, host name is a local host, and I have created a one database that is called test. This connect constructor creates a connection to the MySQL servers and returns a basically MySQL connection object. This MySQL connection object is used in creating a cursor. The next step is to creating a cursor. We need to create a basically object of the class called the cursor that allows Python code to execute a database command in the database sessions. So data cursors are created by the basically connection cursor method, and they are bound to the connection for the entire lifetime, and all the commands are executed in the context of the database session wrapped by the connection. For creating a connection cursor, you can write This cursor equals to db. Db is a basically connection object that we have created previously, and dot cursor. The next step is to execute a queries. We can execute the different types of SQL queries from the Python program using the execute method, and this execute method is associated with the cursor object. For that, you can write, for example, if you have to write a query to select all the data from the table. That table is a tbl.student. Then you have to write cursor.execute, then select star from table underscore student. You can write any queries within this execute method as a parameter. This execute method also used to insert many records at the same time. For that, the function is a execute many function. And basically, if you want to insert many record at the same time, then you have to create that records in the form of the list. So here you can see that I have created a basically one list that is called as the purchases, and in that list I have inserted a three records with the 5 parameters. These three records, and there are 5 parameters, and to insert all these records at the same time, this execute many function is used, and I write an insert query. Insert into the table name is stocks, and these values in the form of purchases. Purchases is the one list. When you run this command, then you can see that all these record inserted at the same time in the database. Next step is to fetch record from database. Basically, MySQL DB provides many various ways to retrieve data from the databases. These are the fetch all, fetch many, and the fetch one. This fetch all fetches all the rows of a query result, and it also returns an empty list if there is no record to fetch. This fetch one returns the number of rows specified by the size argument. You have to pass this size, means how many records you want to fetch, and if no rows are available, it returns an empty list. This cursor.fetch1 method returns a single record or none if no more rows are available. Now let's discuss one example to make a connection and fetch the record from the database. The first step is to import a MySQL library. Here you can see that I write this import MySQL DB, and in the next step is to make a connection using the connect method. You have to pass username, password, host name, and the database name. The next step is to create a cursor using the cursor method, and the next step is to execute a query. My query is a select to start from tbl underscore student where place is a Calicut. Next, I have to fetch all the records, so I use cursor dot fetch all. To print all the records, I have to make a one loop for rows in results. Results is a one list where all the records are fetched and stored from the database. Then I have to I have to assign row 0 in the fname variable, row 1 in the lname, and the age in the row 2, and using the print I have print all the fname, lname, and age that are fetched from the database test and from the table, that is a tbl underscore student. In this session, we are basically discuss how to make a connection with the MySQL database in your Python program and fetch the records from the database and print the records. For more learning, you can refer these references. Thank you.